solving by elimination by addition. So 5x plus 4y, and then 4x minus 4y. So this aming 4x minus 4y is ato siyang times 2 para dali na to siya ma-add, and then para easier for us to solve ang x para ma-cancel out ito ang 4y. So may mo siyang 4x minus 4y is equals to 0. So cancel out ng 4y, positive 4y and then negative 4y. So may mo siya 9x is equals to 0. Therefore, our x is equals to 0. And then, since we have the value of x, so ato na siyang i-substitute here in this equation. So 5 times 0 plus 4y is equals to 0. So 4y is equals to 0, and then y is equals to 0. So we have here the solution 0, 0. So this two equation or this system has a trivial solution. So again, trivial solution siya because all variables are equal to 0. Okay, if we will not solve this one, so mas dali ra na to ma-identify ang trivial kay 0 naman yun siya. So you can mag-assume na lang tag any number. So if mo multiply ta og 0 and then 0, always equal to 0. So that is trivial solution. Okay. On other system with only trivial solutions. So what if we have here 1x sub 1 minus 2x sub 2 plus 1x sub 3 is equals to 0, and then 6x sub 2 minus 3x sub 3 is equals to 0, and then 1x sub 1 minus 2x sub 2 minus 1x sub 3 is equals to 0. So, okay, so we will do the matrix. So, this is the reason nga nung i-discuss na ko to una tong introduction of linear system kay ma-apply na to ang matrix to identify if it is trivial solution or non-trivial. So this one, so imuhang i-record all the coefficients and then the constant 0. So then negative 1 times row 1 plus row 3, and then mauna siya ang imuhang row 3. And then, you multiply the row 2 into 1/3, mauna siya ang imuhang row 2. Okay, so, after that one is mauna ni ato ang final matrix, 1, negative 2, 1, 0, 2, negative 1, then 0, 0, negative 2. Then, ato ni siyang, after sa itong final matrix, is ato ni siyang i-transform into equation. So, ito na siya butngan og variable. So, 1, meron siya 1x sub 1 or x sub 1, then negative 2, 2x sub 2, then plus 1x sub 3, so x sub 3 is equals to 0. The second equation, 2x sub 2 minus 1x sub 3, so automatic x sub 3 is equals to 0. And then negative 2 x sub 3 is equals to 0. So, dali ra na to ma-identify ang x sub 3. So, x sub 3 is equals to 0. Kaya divide both sides into 2 or multiply into 0. So, may mo siya ang our value of x sub 3 is 0. And then, substitute tayo naman tayo value sa x sub 3. So, we'll do back substitution. So, atong i-substitute ang x sub 3 sa second equation. So, 2x sub 2 minus x sub 3. So, again, our x sub 3 is 0. So, may muna siyang x sub 2 is equals to 0. Then, the last equation, substitute. So, x sub 1 minus 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. So, our x sub 1 is 0. So, our solution in this system here is 0, 0, 0. So, this system is trivial solutions. Again, ang definition sa trivial solution is trivial ang system if ang iyahang tanang variables are equal to 0. So, ang iyahang solutions is equals to 0. So let's do the non-trivial solution. So what is non-trivial solution? Non-trivial solution if it has at least one solution or other than the trivial solution. Okay, we not all variables are zero. So we have here an example of non-trivial. Okay. 1x sub 1 plus 2x sub... Teng, dili magbanha, Teng. Plus 3x sub 3 plus 2x sub 4 is equals to 0. Then x sub 1 plus 3x sub 2 plus 5x sub 3 plus 5x sub 4 is equals to 0. And then 2x sub 1 plus 4x sub 2 plus 7x sub 3 plus 1x sub 4 is equals to 0. And then 1x sub 1 minus 2x sub 2 minus 6x sub 3 plus 7x sub 4 is equals to 0. Okay, if we will know this system, if it is non-trivial or trivial. Okay, so do the matrix. So perform the matrix until we come up into the into this last matrix. So assume na mauna ni atong final matrix. This one. So assume na to nga mauna ni atong final matrix. Okay, so since we have the final matrix 1, 0, 0, negative 7 is 0, and then 0, 1, 0, 9, 0, and then 0, 1, negative 3, 0, and then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, we will rewrite this one into equation. So, x sub 1, and then dito na ta sa 7x sub 4 since this 2 here is 0 naman. So, ito na siya. Dili na nato kopyaon ang x sub 2, x sub 3. Then, x sub 2, 0 maning x sub 1. So, x sub 2 and then 9 x sub 4 is equals to 0. And then, x sub 3 and then negative 3x sub 4 and then 0 na sad ang fourth row. Okay. So, in this equation is dili pa nato ma-identify ang final solution since it involves two variables here. So, unsaon na to ni siya pagkuha o variable, I mean, pagkuha na to pagkuha na to value sa variable is we will use the free variable. So, ang free variable is we will let some of the variables into k. So, here, x sub 3, so let xy is equals to 3k. So, y sub 3 minus 3k is equals to 0. So, ato ang x sub 3 na to is equals to 3k. And then, x sub 2 plus 9k, so is equals to x sub 2 equals to negative 9k. And then x sub 1 minus negative 7k is equals 0. So our x sub 1 here is 7k. Okay, so our solution now is 7k, negative 9k, 3k, and k. Then let k is equals to any real number. So assume nga 1 atong value sa k. So 7 times 1 is equals to 7. And then negative 9 times 1 is equals to negative 9. And then 3 times 1 is equals to 3. And then 1 times 1 is equals to 1. So our solutions in this system, katong taas kayo ani, ato solution ani is this one, 7, negative 9, 3, 1. So this is non-trivial because it has solution. So So sa definition sa non-trivial kay at least one solution naman other than the trivial. So since more than one or at least one or more than one solution, belong na siya sa non-trivial. So in summary, the triviality of linear equation distinguish between systems with only the zero vector solutions, that is trivial, and those with additional non-zero solution is non-trivial. So that is the difference between non-trivial solution sorry, and then the trivial solution. Okay, that is all about the introduction of triviality. Sorry, ma'am. Okay, that is all about the introduction to systems of triviality, and introduction of triviality and introduction to systems of linear equations. Okay, maarat to, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lisa. Are there any questions about the report of Maria Lisa? Walay question. So that does it mean nga nasabtan ang topic ni Ma'am Maria Lisa? Okay, any reactions from the class? Okay, so I guess no nasabtan ang discussions ni Ma'am Maria Lisa. So thank you, Ma'am Maria Lisa. The time is 5:51. So I was expecting to have three reporters today, but since the next reporter is wala ko kita ni Ma'am Ampong, no, si Ma'am Ampong ba to ang second, Ma'am Lisa, if I'm not mistaken. And when I look at the topic, though the topic is not a first view, no, you might have encountered it during your college days, but it's a bit murag medyo taas-taas. So I think dili ra siya mahuman until 6:30. So for the remaining time, no, I will post in the Google Classroom your assignment for the week, so you can submit it next Saturday, no, so you have the whole week to work on this assignment. So this assignment is all about kadtong sa chapter 1 and the topic ni Ma'am Maria Lisa today. Any clarifications?
None so far, ma'am.
All right. So before mo leave ani nga meeting, please turn on your cameras for the documentation of today's class. Okay. Sige, smile everyone. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, another one. Ready? 1, 2. Okay. So by next Saturday, we will have Ma'am Ampong, Amplayo, and Ma'am C, no? Sis. So you have three reporters. Hopefully, mahuman na to sa chapter 2 by next Saturday. Okay, that's all for today's. Thank you, reporters.